dito yung muhon.
Sana puntahan mo nga, Jerome, para may turo ko kay Terry. Hala, Inday. I-recharge mo yung kay nanay. Ano, tingnan mo nga kung ano ko. Okay, Jerome is going to where the boundary of the land. Can you see it from there? Hindi ka mo da magalin sa may muna. Okay, can you see Jerome? That's where the land is. He's really far. Wah! Haba naman yan, Jerome. Diyan pa? Diyan? Laki pala nito. Hindi na kita makita, Jerome. I can't see you. Ay, hindi ko na siya makita. Balik na! Ay, ang layo naman. Ayoko na doon. Ah, okay. Nakita kita, Jerome. Balik na. And then can you see Inday and Beng? That's where the boundary of the land. It's quite huge.